Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Hychika hammer drill driver kit. Better tools for better life. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have in the manual. If you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. Thank you letter, Hychika Tools on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Scan the QR code, extend your warranty. Now let's see one by one what we have in the box. .30 screwdriver bits, 25mm, 1 extension rod, 50mm, magnetic, nice. We have in this lovely tool bag, I like it, Hychika, very premium. Black and red color with strap, 4 flat wood drill bits, 10, 12, 14 and 16mm, 6 metal drill bits, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8mm. I will test all that, definitely. Another 6 screwdriver bits, 50mm the length. Very organized, I like that. 5 socket wrenches, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 10mm. With 1 hex shank socket adapter. Nice. I love the bag. I like it so much. One belt clip. You can install that here with a screw. I will do that later. Nice. And of course we have the charger, universal charger with a cable length 1.5 meters, very convenient. Output 12 volt, 2 amp, 60 watts. And the battery, 18 volt, 2 ampere hours lithium ion battery, 36 watt hours. Very soft materials, definitely it will stay very secure at any surface. After installing at the power tool, lock and lock mechanism, the button to check the battery capacity, nice. And the power tool, it looks amazing. Compact and lightweight, making it comfortable for extended use without strain. Soft grip handle enhances comfort and reduces hand fatigue, especially for longer projects. I like it. Soft elements in here. Brushless motor delivers more power, 60 Nm max high torque, while reducing maintenance requirements for longer run times and greater efficiency. 21+3 torque settings. Equip it with hammer mode for drilling into harder materials like concrete and masonry, with impact frequency 8000 and 32,000 RPM. Offers two additional modes: drill mode for wood and metal, and driver mode for screwing. And it is so easy to change between them and adjust the torque. Equip it with a keyless chuck, which allows for quick and easy changes of drill bits or screwdriver bits. Supports 13mm chuck size, the maximum. Left and right rotation. The on-off switch. I like the sound, very professional. Features variable speed settings from 0 to 500 RPM or from 0 to 2000 RPM, providing precise control over different tasks. And on hammer, you can see the chuck goes in and out. That is the hammer drilling. It's not doing that on screwing or only on drilling. That was all, so easy. Unscrew. No tools. Integrated LED light illuminates the work area, ensuring that you can work in low light environments with greater visibility and precision. It's so professional. I love the sound. Now let's charge the battery, fully charge the battery, and start my test. Red LED, that means it's charging. When goes to green, it's fully charged. I love the accessories. is a reliable, efficient and versatile tool designed to meet the needs for a variety of drilling and driving tasks. Whether you are tackling DIY projects around the house or handling medium-duty tasks on the job site, this drill offers the power and convenience you need to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Why choose the Hychika Cordless Brushless hammer drill? Perfect for a variety of tasks around the house, including hanging shelves, assembling furniture, and building outdoor structures. Its adaptability makes it suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals working in construction or renovation. Whether you are working on home improvement projects or tackling tougher construction tasks, its powerful motor, long-lasting battery, and multiple functional capabilities will provide the reliability and performance you need. that's the Hychika cordless brushless hammer drill. With its powerful brushless motor, multiple speed settings and durable design, it's an excellent tool for tackling any project, whether you are drilling into wood, concrete or metal. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort and the brushless technology provides longer battery life and improved efficiency. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tool reviews, DIY tips and tech insights. As the clock strikes midnight, may your worries fade and your hopes for the future shine brightly. Wishing you health, happiness and endless blessing as we step into the new year. Thanks for watching and as always, stay powered up, stay productive and I'll see you in the next year.